Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly. In this video, we are going to learn how to automate customer feedback collection with AI assistant for gyms. Let's suppose I'm running a gym and I'm receiving many queries and feedback on my WhatsApp. I was manually replying to all of the queries and feedback, and this was consuming a lot of my time. So I've completely automated this process and I have created a WhatsApp chatbot with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. Now with the help of this AI agent which I have created with the help of Pabbly Chatflow, whenever a user sends me a message, automatically the reply will be sent based on the message which they have sent to me. Now if you want to learn the step-by-step process of how you can create this AI agent with the help of Pabbly Chatflow, then let me take you all to my screen. So in this video, we are going to see how we can automate the feedback collection for gym, and for this I have created an AI agent with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. We are going to test this once whether it is working fine or not. For that I'm going to open my WhatsApp. So I'm going to send a message like, hey, I want to share some feedback, and now let's wait for the reply. So here it says, sure, on a scale of 1 to 5, how would you rate your overall experience today? So I'm going to rate it as 3, and then I'm going to write, it was not a very good experience. I'm going to send this message. Let's wait for the reply. And here it says, thank you for sharing that. I'm sorry to hear it wasn't the best experience. Could you tell me if the facilities were comfortable? So I'm going to write, no, there was no electricity and the gym lacked equipments too. I'm going to send this message. Let's wait for the reply again. And here it has sent me, I appreciate your honesty. I'm sorry to hear about this issue with electricity and lack of equipment. We'll definitely address these concerns. Just to confirm, your overall experience is 3. The facilities were not comfortable and you would like to see improvement in both the equipment and electricity. Is there anything else you would like us to improve? So I'm going to write, could you please provide a free demo for 3 days? Let's send this message and wait for the reply. So it says, I can't directly arrange a demo, but I recommend reaching out to our front desk or customer service to inquire about a free 3-day demo. They will be able to assist you with that. Thanks again for the feedback, and if you have any other question, feel free to ask. So here, this was a feedback collection bot which I have created, and it is very nicely replying to all the queries and the feedback which I am giving. Now, if you want to learn how you can create this AI agent with the help of Pabbly Chatflow, then let's start creating this from the beginning. In this video, we are going to see how we can create AI assistant using Pabbly Chatflow to automate and collect the feedback for my gym. And for this, we simply need to visit www.pabbly.com/chatflow in the browser. After browsing this website, we need to sign in to a Pabbly Chatflow account. But before we sign in, let me quickly take you towards Pabbly community. So you can join this Pabbly community to connect with business owners, experts, and the Pabbly support team. You can share tips, ask questions, and get quick solutions to your automation challenges. You can stay updated on latest features and collaborate with thousands of users who help and support each other every day. Now, if you want to learn how you can join this community, then please check out the link given in the description. Let's move back towards Pabbly Chatflow. After browsing this website, we need to sign in to our Pabbly Chatflow account. On the top right corner, you can see 2 options, sign in and sign up for free. If you are an existing user, click on the sign in, and if you are a new user, click on the sign up for free, and this will give you 100 credits free on monthly basis. As I'm an existing user, I'll click on the sign in. And here all Pabbly apps page has appeared, which is showing me all the Pabbly applications. I'm going to click on this Pabbly Chatflow, access now. And here it has taken me towards this dashboard where I can see the credit allotted, credit consumed, credit remaining, and the WhatsApp number added. Now you can click on this add WhatsApp number. You can click on this WhatsApp connect to connect your WhatsApp with your Pabbly Chatflow account, or you can use a manual token to connect your WhatsApp with your Pabbly Chatflow account. If you want to learn the step-by-step process of how you can connect your WhatsApp with your Pabbly Chatflow account, then please check out the link given in the description. Now on the left-hand side, where we can see all these options, inbox, contacts, team queues, templates, broadcast, flows, AI assistant. activity logs, settings, and get help. We have created a detailed video on all of these features. You can visit the link given in the description, or you can check out these videos available on our YouTube channel in the playlist of Pabbly Chatflow. To create an AI assistant, on the left hand side we have this option of AI assistant. So we are going to open this now. Here I have landed towards this AI assistant page. You can see the total AI assistant, active AI assistant, which is active on some charts, and then we have this inactive AI assistant. To create a new AI assistant, you simply need to click on this add AI assistant. So we are going to open this. Now first we have to provide the assistant name. So I'm going to write the name as Automate Customer Feedback Collection with AI Assistant for Gym, and then you simply need to click on this add AI assistant. Now we have landed towards this page. On the top you can see all the options which we will be updating and creating now. So the first one is AI instructions. So over here I am going to select the instruction type first. So I want to select the type as AI agent, and as soon as I select the instruction type, you will see the instructions will be automatically updated. You can update these instructions according to your choice and requirement. I am going to keep these instructions as it is, and then we have this AI configuration. So over here it is written, set how creative the AI answers are. 0 means more focused, 1 means more creative. So if you move from 0 to above like 0.6, 0.7, your AI agent is going to create and reply in more creative manner. So I'm going to select it as 0.7. I'm going to select the AI to use as OpenAI, and then I need to select the model. So I'm going to select it as GPT-4o mini, and then I'm going to update the key. So over here I'm going to enter my key. So here I have entered my key, and after entering the key, please make sure that you click on this connect. So OpenAI key saved successfully. Now on the help desk it is written, OpenAI uses API key for authentication. Kindly visit your, and a hyperlink has been provided. So what you can do, you can simply click on this hyperlink given over here, and it will take you towards this API keys page. To generate a new API token, you simply need to click on this create new secret key. You have to provide the key name. Let's say the key name is test. The project will be default project. The permissions will be all. And then you simply need to click on this create secret key. Then a new API token will be provided to you, which you need to copy and simply paste that over here. And then please make sure that you click on this connect. Now we have this AI settings. So if you want to provide the header message, you can toggle on this header message button and then enter any header message, and same goes for this footer message and the stop keyword. Now if you toggle on the stop keyword and enter some keyword like this is the keyword, and if someone suppose want to stop the reply they are getting from the AI assistant, what they can do, they can simply send the message stop and the AI assistant will stop replying. Here it is written, enter keyword that users can type to stop the AI assistant. You can add multiple keywords. So here I'm going to keep it as stop. Then the retry attempt. Now if you want to provide more attempts, specify the number of fallback retry attempts if the AI assistant fails to respond. Valid range is 1 to 10. I'm going to keep it as 1. If you want to provide more attempts, you can increase that. But for now, I'm going to toggle off this. Then we have this fallback message. So it is written, enter the message to display when the AI assistant API is not responding correctly. So if the API is not responding, your AI is not going to work and it is not going to reply. So this particular message is going to send to the customer. I'm here to assist with questions related to company information or support. What you can also do, you can enter the contact details of your business, or you can send or ask them the questions and contact them personally after that. So in the fallback message, you can provide the contact details. I'm going to keep the fallback message as this only. Moving on towards the next step, we have this knowledge source. So in this knowledge source, I'm going to upload the file. So here I have created a document which I'm going to open. Feedback collection flow, trigger phases. I want to give feedback, rate my workout, share my experience today, AI survey questions and some dummy options. I have added AI auto replies, personalized workout suggestion, then how they are going to reply, how my AI is going to reply, automated reply and storage, gym policies and FAQs, then some feedback to reply conversation, and I have added these questions so that my AI could understand how they are going to answer, just for the dummy purpose. You can add all the details of your gym so that AI can respond exactly. So over here I'm going to first download this. You can enter this file in .txt or PDF format. So I'm going to download this first, and then I'm going to upload the same file. So this is my file. I'm going to open this, and we have uploaded this file. So I have the details, like I'm going to collect the feedback, I'm going to give the information, or I'm going to provide the support, or I'm going to provide them the gym details or the training details or the workout details. I have, for the dummy purpose, included small details from all the areas. So here I have uploaded this file, and then moving on towards the next step. This is the AI assistant interface. So over here you can enter your own brand name. So the gym name is Power Gym. I have entered that, and it starts displaying over here. Then we are online and happy to assist you. If you want to change the header message, you can do that, like removing this, and it will be removed. If you want to enter some other text, it can be included. I'm going to keep it as same. Then hi there, this will be the initial message. So enter each message in a new chat bubble. You can add only 2 initial messages. I'm going to keep it as 1 only, but if you want to add any other message, you can do that. I'm going to keep this enable of powered by Pabbly label on, but if you want to disable, you can do that and it will disappear from here. I'm going to keep it as enable and it's here. Then the footer text, I have kept it as privacy policy, and then I've entered the footer link also over here. You can see this. You can also enter the privacy policy or your company website, something like that. Then the user first message. If the user message I need help, then this AI agent is going to reply to them. But also if they do not send me a message like I need help and some random message like hey I have query, hey I want to send feedback, something like that, then also my AI agent is going to reply to them. Moving on towards the next step. Finally, we have the styling. So over here, I'm going to select the theme as light only. If you select it as dark, it will appear something like this. So I'm going to select it as light. You can change the AI assistant shape like this. I'm going to keep it as circle. Over here, you can see this. Then we have this background color. If you want to change, you can do that. Or if you want to change the text color, button color, then the chat bubble color, you can do according to your choice and preference. If you want to change the header profile picture, you can do that. If you want to change the profile picture, you can do that. If you want to change the background picture over here, this is the background picture which we have uploaded. But if you want to change and put something creative, you can do that also. So you have to simply follow the same process. You have to click on this cloud, select the file, and it will be uploaded. Then we have this embed option. So over here, you can use this code to embed the same chatbot or AI agent which you have created using Pabbly Chatflow to your website. And if someone visits there and click on that button, they're going to start the conversation from there itself. You can also use the scan QR to start the conversation with the users. And also you can use this start chat button. So it will automatically redirect the user to this particular chat. So after creating this AI agent, please make sure that you toggle on this button to keep this AI agent active. If you do not keep this active, the messages won't be sent, and then you save this. If you do not save this, the AI agent will be lost. So here I'm going to save this AI agent. And here AI assistant saved successfully. So here we have added the AI instructions, then we have added the knowledge source, which was very important for our AI agent to understand how we are going to reply to the users. So we have added all the details of the gym. For your knowledge, I have added some dummy details like the contact information. Then we have this knowledge source in which we have uploaded the file where we have added all the details, how we are going to collect the feedback from the customer. Also, I'm going to add the contact details. So I'm going to upload this file in which I have added the contact details. I'm going to select this and upload this, and then I'm going to save this again. So here file uploaded and processed successfully, AI assistant saved successfully. Then we have entered this AI interface, and then we have entered the styling. Now here we are done creating this AI agent. We have instructed our AI agent on how to reply to our customers. Now if you want to enable this AI agent to a particular chat, what you can do on the left hand side where you can see all these options, I'm going to click on this inbox. So I'm going to open this inbox in a new tab. So this was my chat, and I am going to click on this choose AI assistant. I'm going to toggle on this button, and then I'm going to select my AI assistant, which was this one, automate customer feedback collection with AI assistant for gym. I'm going to save this, and in this manner I have enabled this AI assistant to a particular chat. But what if you want to enable this for all the contacts or any particular contact list? For that, on the left hand side where you can see all these options, we have to go towards the settings and then click on this inbox settings. I'm going to open this in a new tab. We have landed towards this inbox settings. If I scroll down, I have this option of AI auto reply settings. First, I'm going to disable this so that I can show you how it is going to work. And here AI auto reply disabled for all chats. Now I'm going to enable this. And then we have this contact list and the AI assistant. So over here, if you want to enable this AI agent for a particular contact list which you have created, you can simply select that list and then you can assign that AI assistant to that particular list. So here, this is the AI assistant, automate customer feedback collection with AI assistant for gym. And then you can simply save this. And then another one is add more rules. I'm going to click on this. And if you want to enable this particular AI assistant or some other AI assistant to all the contacts, you can simply select all contacts, and from this AI assistant drop down you can select that particular AI assistant. I'm going to select it as automate customer feedback collection only, and then you can save this. So you can create the list and then you can assign AI assistant to that particular list, or you can assign a particular AI assistant to all the contacts. So this is how you can enable the AI assistant to particular chats or all the chats in your contacts. So now for the last time, we are going to test this once whether it is working fine or not. Here I want to send some feedback. Here I'm going to send this message and let's wait for the reply. So here it says, on a scale of 1 to 5, how would you rate your overall experience today? I'm going to send 4 and then let's wait for the next reply. Thanks for that. How satisfied were you with the trainer's guidance? So I'm going to send this message. It was nice, but I want one-to-one training. Now let's wait what it is going to send. So it says, got it. Would you like to share how clean and comfortable the facilities were? So it is basically collecting all the feedback from me. And if you want, you can update your knowledge source with all the other details. Like over here, I've simply entered collect the feedback for the gym. What you can also do, you can add some questions like collect their name, collect their phone number, collect their email address, and the rest of the details. And your AI agent is going to reply to all the users based on the knowledge source which you have created and ask and collect the particular feedback only. So this is how this AI assistant is going to work. You can stay tuned to our channel for learning more such interesting WhatsApp chatbots. I hope you liked this video and understood this video very well. Thanks for watching. Not only this chatbot, you can create multiple such chatbots with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. Now if you have any questions, you can reach us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, you can reach us at forum.pabbly.com, and if you have any pricing related issue, then you can visit the website given over here. Also, you can try Pabbly Chatflow for 100% free and create your own WhatsApp chatbot.